special.
Fun stuff today.
Joe Bender, everybody.
Look up ahead, way above us, folks. Rick Conn's going to do his acrobatic performance with it. He's falling out of the sky. Look at that. Upside down.
Upside down.
Again. Ooh.
That's crazy. He just keeps doing it.
Just thinks, folks, you could take an acrobatic ride just like this.
No.
Hey,
Are you serious?
yeah, you can buy it in the gift shop. I've done it. It's fun. I didn't even throw up or anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 point
He makes it look
roll.
effortless.
He's good.
Who's flying his aircraft?
He's flying it.
No, who is?
That's Rick Conn,
Rick Conn.
our acrobatic pilot today.
Oh, part of the famous Conn brothers?
That's it. And the father was an acrobatic pilot here too. The Conn family's been here for a long time with the circus.
His brother Dave is
Hear that
not
engine
here
sputter?
today.
Stayed upside down too long that time.
So what is it sputtering?
Little gravity fuel out there.
Remember, it's a gravity feed Thor-bolt carburetor, just like a lawnmower. If you hang it up.
Over the top. Don't you want to go on an airplane ride like that? That would be a fun airplane.
Oh,
Okay, he's done, right?
I don't think he's quite done yet. He's going to land.
Oh my goodness.
it's like a Waldo Pepper
You think he has
crash.
fun doing this?
Oh yeah, I know he does. I've been up with him. It's a lot of fun.
Oh,
People come off those airplane ride like that, and they're grinning from ear to ear.
And where can you get an airplane ride like this? Where do they need to go?
Right into the gift shop. Right there, you can buy the airplane ride. We have double rides and the walkover. We have regular open cockpit ride. You don't have to take an acrobatic ride if you don't want to. And then we got the acrobatic ride. Here he comes, Rick Conn. We've got one more little trick to show you. Now you see how all the other airplanes landed with the tail on the ground? Notice that tail's still up. He's controlling the tail speed of the airplane and keeping the tail off the ground. Not everybody can do that.
It hasn't
Takes a little
touched the ground,
talent there.
folks.
Here he comes.
Still off the ground. Has some stick and rudder control.
How about that?
He's not going to go all the way around, is he?
All the way around.
All the way around. That's impressive, folks.
How about that?
Still off the ground.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rick Conn, everybody. Good applause. Hey,
All right,
Blue
y'all
Barry,
ready?
what's with the balloons?